Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change profile photo on Skype account on an Android device. Well, knowing how to change your profile photo on Skype allows you to personalize your account and make it easier for contacts to identify you. It is a small but important way to enhance your online presence and make your account more engaging and recognizable. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype on your device. Well, next you can click your profile icon and then select Skype profile option here. Okay, so now tap on your profile photo and then select upload photo if you want to select one from your gallery. Okay, so here select the photo you want to set as a profile picture and click add option at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to add a personal touch to your photo and then edit it here, whether if you want to add a text, other photo, or ink. So, click the side arrow to continue. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change profile photo on Skype account on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.